All right, I'm gonna bring it in.
All right.
Oh, that was a bad one.
Just try to get altitude to get it. Or just let it fall naturally.
Oh, I don't want to let it fall there.
Here we go. Uh-oh. So is that the ACT?
No, that was me.
I would just let go of the controls and
Starting to really buck.
yeah, that's okay if it goes in there. It'll survive, I bet. Or if you can get it over here, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight it over here. There's something control-wise not quite right.
You can just bring her in.
Not over there.
Oh, that's fine.
I know. All right, I'm gonna try to ease her in.
Oh, not there.
Because I think if you don't touch the controls, it'll just kind of land itself. That's fine.
Yeah, that was